Revit 2027 introduces several key improvements to tag leaders. In previous versions, adjusting the start point of a tag leader was not possible. It was permanently fixed at the center, which often led to suboptimal positioning. In this latest release, we now have clip icons at both the beginning and end of all tags. As I clip and unclip the leader start and end points, the corresponding leader start and leader end instance parameters update automatically. By clicking on these icons, I can manually adjust the leader's starting position. For example, moving it directly into the center of the tag symbol. The same flexibility applies to the leader end, which was referred to as leader type in earlier versions. Additionally, I can now snap the leader's endpoint and elbow to specific geometry, such as a wall edge, for better alignment. Another significant enhancement occurs within the family editor. When creating or editing tag families, we now have a parameter called Exclude From Leader Outline. This allows me to exclude specific elements from the tag's overall geometry. When I load this family into a project, the leader ignores the excluded elements and attaches only to the primary boundary box. This ensures the leader connects precisely where intended, maintaining professional and accurate placement across the model.